Hey, I got two things in the mail I'm excited about, so I thought I would open them with you. Here's the first thing. It's a sort of like a dress Sporran. It's kind of a cross between a dress Sporran and a hunting Sporran. So it comes with a Sporran chain, which is typical. I probably won't use this because I like Sporran straps better, which would mean this whole part is leather. But I might. I'll have to see. And it's. Oh well, it is an inexpensive Sporran, but dress Sporrans tend to have this metal part here, which they typically call a cantle. But usually this is fur. And then a hunting Sporran has this leather here with these leaves sewn, or in this case riveted down. So I think the idea is that if you're hunting, you want to be quiet. And normal Sporran has tassels that will whack when you walk, and that's why I got this, because I don't like that how the tassels smack when I walk. So you may not know, but Sporrans can cost up easily $200, but this was $30. So it has this snap here, which I like. Here's where the chain or strap attaches, and then it opens up. It's pretty deep. It actually, this edge is a faux leather. And it has like a, probably can't see it, but it has a kind of fleece feel inside. I like it. So that'll be fun as a variety. This is only my second Sporran that I have ever had that was purchased. I've made the rest of them. So I'm excited about that. Here is the other one. This is going to be ghost stones it's packed with weird catalog. Funny. Excuse me. These are glass ghost stones. So, unlike traditional slate and shell stones, which are around $200, these are $30. I think these are around 30, I think. They have these plastic bowls. Here's the black ones. I think they're 20 millimeters across and 7 thick. They're sick. So, I like them. I'll pause recording and show you what I've been playing with up until now. I like how big they are. So I'm working on a board to use these with. So the black ones are kind of matte and the white ones are shiny. So I'll be back and show you what I use already. So this is a Go set that I got amazingly at a yard sale when I was in college. My hometown, which is very small. So it's kind of a mini set. You can see this is how big the stones are. Which, you know, it's fine for learning and stuff, and it's nice it doesn't take up a lot of space. But it's nowhere near as cool as these larger stones. And this is why I have to make a board, because this one's too small. But I also have this magnetic Go board for traveling, which is pretty fun, and the stones are about the same size as these ones. Well, I'm super excited about these things. These are presents from my mother and father-in-law, and so thank you if you're watching. And thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye.